channel. It's your girl Angelica, back again with a brand new video. Okay, so it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning, but we about to do our October reset, okay? Because I ain't realize the days went by and it always October, and I'm a call it me being for the day slip away, and I ain't realize it's like the 30th already. And I'll be out of town this week, so we just had to reset because I'm like, I am not gonna leave my house dirty before I go out of town. When I be out of town for, vacation wise. Plus, I'm busy also because Tuesdays are my busy day because I be at church little all day. So I'm like, there's so much, but we're gonna start a little late tonight on our October reset because we gotta do reset for the month because I refuse to go on vacation out of town and come back in my house dirty with trash from the month before. I just can't do it. So we say no. So right now I actually studying for a exam I got for one of my classes because nothing the whole week because apparently it's midterm week. I don't know, it just been a mess with. So like one of my teachers quit a couple weeks ago and I still don't have a teacher. Apparently when I talked to my advisor last week, he said I had to ask something like, my teacher left, like when I'm getting my new teacher. Like I haven't done no work in that class because what to do when I don't have no teacher teach me. I don't know what to do. And so he like, they're going to do the hiring process. Hiring process, you always one of the people always talk about, oh yeah, you got a teacher, you got to. And I'm hearing like, no, we just started the hiring process for a teacher. Like, baby, it's so halfway done. It's midterm season right now. Like, this week, apparently midterm, I don't have a teacher. I'm like, guys, I'm sorry, like, they never pass the class they want because I don't have a teacher and don't want me to keep saying I'm paying my money, like, giving me a teacher. But that's not the point. I'm rambling. But I'm studying for an exam because I got 3 exams to take this week. And I'm out of town when the time is to take the exam. So it's just, I probably took one of my exams last week. I had it in my calendar and didn't check the calendar, which I ain't surprised by me because I don't use calendar. I'm trying to get used to the whole putting stuff in the calendar dance, and a lot happening. I got a lot of work calendar, and I'm not calendar. I'm gonna go with the flow, go by the due date type girly, but I'm excited for one of my exams. I'm trying to take one tonight because this one actually due today. So I'm taking this tonight, do some cleaning, vacuum. I'm not gonna really do it. I'm big cleaner, don't stream my bathroom and the vacuum my room floor because that. And then in the morning I'm gonna take the trash outside to the road and stuff like that. Like I said, not gonna be nothing big this month. And then we gotta work on vision board. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I got so much stuff to do tomorrow. And I can't really do nothing because my car yesterday decided to act crazy on me. And when I said your girl freaked out behind the wheel for the first time in her life, freaking out driving, I freaked out so bad. I was calling somebody. They didn't have something like, Lord, then let me get home safely. Then let me get back home safely. I don't know what the car do, but I had to get home. But yeah, so I had a little freak out today behind the wheel for the first time. But I'm good. I'm home. I'm safe. Nothing happened, but it's like, never had a car do what it just did today. So my car is, so I can't really drive it because I'm scared to drive it right now. But yeah, I got so much I need to do before I leave tomorrow. I got to also in the video need to pack a suitcase. So yeah, it's just like, but I am gonna film that trip, so don't worry, you're definitely gonna film that trip. But it's just a lot, going on right now. So my mind, I'm always playing. I'm trying to do, but I did not want to not do a monthly reset. I just don't want to do that just because I quit. So this is probably like a super short video because like I'm not doing much, just vacuuming my floor, sweeping the bathroom. Really, mostly I'm doing homework. So homework getting done. Vision board, I do that later on today. When I say I got a lot of stuff to get done and like short period of time to do it. Like I'm gonna be up doing homework because I know I'm gonna take this tonight. Then tomorrow, later on tonight, Wednesday morning, Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, I'm gonna take another exam for class. And also I had to say it in my video, so I gotta try to. I'm praying that the hotel. I'm saying I got Wi-Fi, and now I use my hotspot on my phone. And so my YouTube video that also did I haven't started my video for editing the video that do post the week. When I said time is going by so fast, and me being college student is just like it's like 50 assignments, but we do it at one time and just and don't get me started on good work. Even not too bad. My good not too bad, but it's just like good work. It's just that would be throwing me out because I be forgetting that good work. Because I'm like I want to pass. I want to pass. So, but anyway, I'm women. It been 6 minutes, and I know you don't clear out the video by now, but I don't care. For me, I'm a woman, but I got a lot of information to get out. But without further ado, let's get on to. God don't even know what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna study. I really need to study for to take the test real quick for vacuum, clean the bathroom, and yeah. So let's go on with the calmness of me studying for this test. So yeah.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, maybe hit the drama. Unless you come in with that commas. Or DJ telling the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speaker. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight.
Okay, so I vacuum my room. I'm not doing a big clean due to the fact, like I said, I do gotta pack my suitcase. My suitcase is a little down here, so I cannot wait doing. But I did vacuum and sweep the floor and sweep my bathroom, all that good stuff. But I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I wanna do the suitcase tonight, but like almost 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna go. My phone might to die. I'm gonna go take a shower, and then we pick this up in a couple hours. It's the suitcase, the whole packing into so much, so we don't work on that. I'm sorry, the oil, because I got a bit light, and there's so many lights on right now in my room, but we don't finish this up in the next couple hours. So I see you then with the whole packing the suitcase and vision board and the whatnot. So I see you in a couple hours.
Jump, 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 jump. You know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up. You know I love to make it jump, 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 jump. You know I love to make it jump, jump, jump. Dum, 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 back it up. You know I love to make it.
Only got a nigga calling on me. If I wanna know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some kerosene in it. Make this stitch up, I wanna put it in the room. Wanna get a D, I serve it like a dealer. Give it up, I'm thinking in the middle. I'm back in your bird, it doesn't feel no realer. Hop every picture, I'm part of ride.
Okay, guys. Whew. As you can see, wait, I'm zoomed in. I don't know, that means zoom. But anyway, guys, you see, earlier today, you see me did a vision board while we're at church. I actually finished it during church that night. Then, as you can see, I just did the 2 suitcases over there. So the big suitcase is there, all my clothes, my tripod, wig, and whatnot. And the small one, and then about water and snacks, because I'm not going to spend unnecessary money. And I got but less than 20 cases of water in my house. Why do I need to buy water in another location? Buy my own water. Work harder, not smarter. Wait, work smarter, not harder. But yeah, so I put my pack majority of the stuff. It came like 2 o'clock in the morning. I still gotta do this. I'm probably just doing it later on today because it's like just too much. And I need to go to sleep because I gotta be ready to go at 11 o'clock in the morning. And I'm just not gonna worry about it soon right now. I deal with that when I get there. Hopefully the Wi-Fi is free and not like a hotspot on my phone, so I gotta be able to take these and play them with the tongue week, like I said. So, but pretty much, yeah, I've been clean, even though it got messy again. But I put my clean on, take the final trash out in the morning and stuff before I head out and stuff like that. But pretty much all day is the dirty clothes on my floor, but I'm not about to touch back. I let it just wash. So me having dirty clothes on the floor is like not a big deal for me in there, but we clean what I need to do. So we pretty much got everything one. I just want to do some basic cleaning and stuff. But I gotta do some more cleaning later. You know, like I can do another side that we said. Probably not another side that we said video, but probably do another side for myself. You know, personally for me or whatnot like that. Or maybe we said or whatever. And so, but I pretty much do what I need to do, you know, clean, do my vision board. My vision board is my main thing. I don't do nothing else before the new month come in. I'm definitely doing a vision board. I like to see my goals for the month and whatnot. So definitely vision board is my thing. So I gotta do that. But if I'm packed, I'm ready to go. The only thing I need to do is if my camera, which I do that. I gotta shower. So I gotta see. I gotta see what bag I'm trying to see. I'm gonna bring my book bag right there, the blue one, the Bahama bag, or I'm gonna bring like a tote bag. I don't know. I gotta figure that out because I had to obviously so I had to bring my laptop, my iPad with me. So and on my millions charger, where I need to charge some of my devices, but right now I only on the charger in my Apple Watch and stuff. So and also I'm charging one of my cameras because I forgot. I gotta charge on one of my cameras, so I'm charging on one of my cameras. So when I'm gone to do my house and stuff, whatever, blah blah blah. But yeah, you're good at what you have to do. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's not me really tired, it's all overplay, probably super short, but hey, this month it was a fast month for me. It's just a lot with school, so mostly. This video is definitely show because mostly the school and pretty much I got something about it since I can't really do it because it's so bad college shit and not for the week, especially when you take 5 classes. So my course load is very heavy and there's a lot going on with missing a teacher and it's a lot. But you know, I'm hanging in there, so I'm not really stressed about that, but yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the October reset. I know it's short. I know it's not like my usual reset when I'm doing all out my usual stuff, but this month is different so fast. It just you see I didn't come home till after 12 o'clock. So it just I don't have time. It feel like I'm short on time, but trust me, when November come around, it definitely be much better. I'm trying to be better with my content, but it's a lot going on. And mentally, I'm trying to say that, but at the same time, I'm not. But we're working on it. So, but this is a short month, but even though it's a short month, I still got my main thing. I got my main goals that I need to get done before October got here. That really that matters. So, yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this Saturday. October reset. I pray that my October bring abundance and prosperity at all areas of your life, and hope that God bless you throughout the month with surprise, uncommon favor throughout the whole month of October, because October is a good month. Every month is a good month. It's just a blessed month each and every month. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, love ya. Mwah. See you next week.